You don't have to manually download and install the AMD drivers. Instead of that, there is a one tool that is provided by the AMD. You can find this tool on this URL. So basically, you can go to this AMD drivers and support page and download the software and install on your system. Once the software is installed, what it does is that it automatically detects all the AMD drivers, GPU drivers on your system. And it also tells you if the driver is outdated, and if it is outdated, it will give you the link from where you can download the latest driver for your AMD GPU. For example, this is how the screen looks like once you open the software. Here it is showing that this is our GPU driver, and it is saying that this is the driver that is recommended. So it is asking you to upgrade to this particular driver. That means you are using outdated driver for this particular GPU. And the same way, it will display the information for various GPUs as well. That's it. It's very handy tool because most of the time people what they do is that they go and try to manually download the drivers, but that is not the recommended way. The best way is just download the software AMD drivers and support by going to this particular URL, and then it will automatically detect everything for you. That's it. Thanks for watching.